Today we're solving problem 22 from the AMC 10B of 2022. Let S be the set of circles in the coordinate plane that are tangent to each of the three circles with equations x squared plus y squared is 4, x squared plus y squared is 64, and x minus 5 squared plus y squared is 3. What is the sum of the areas of all circles in S? So I've drawn like this coordinate plane. It's roughly exactly what this is. So we have three circles here. This one has radius 2, and it's about the origin. And this really big circle, this has radius 8. But this one, this has square root 3 as its radius. Now, we have these values here, and what we want to do here is basically there's two cases. One is when it's exterior tangent to x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. Now there's that first case, exterior tangent. So there's we can draw this circle. We can construct this circle approximately like this, something like that. It doesn't look very even, but still. So now we want to rotate this in a way where it's touching basically the circles, I guess. And once we rotate this, we have to rotate it all the way to make sure that we're getting all the values. It has to be touching all the circles. We find that there's 4 times where it works. 4 times where it works. Now, this radius of this circle about the origin, the smaller one, has radius of 2. And this big circle's radius is 8. But that 2 is part of the 8. So we want this radius, this unknown here, starting from the 2. 8 minus 2 over 2 will give us the radius, which is 3. Now we can find the area. Since we did it 4 times, we have to multiply 4 by the area, which is 3e squared times pi. This is 36 pi. That's our first case. Now our second case is where it's interior. Interior tangent to x squared plus y squared is 4. Now when it's interior, this is much more different. When it's exterior, that means this circle is touching it on the outside, not the inside. But the interior is basically where the small circle is kind of part of the big circle, or at least making contact with it inside the big circle. So it would look something like this bigger circle. This one. Now once again, we can rotate it all the way to see that we're covering all of the possibilities. Once we count or start counting, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 times or 4 ways, whatever. Now, we can find the radius with the circle. Let's just take this straight line. Now, this is the radius of the big circle plus the radius of the small circle. That's about the origin. 8 plus 2 over 2. That will give us 5, which is the radius. So the area is also 4 times the area, which is 5 squared times pi. This is 100 pi. Now we have 2 cases, and we have to add up all the values in those 2 cases, which will give us our answers. So 100 pi plus 36 pi is equal to 136 pi. That's our answer.